So one thing we use is our Gator, little 4x4 Gator, on the farm to haul out all the shit. 10 squats, another. Y'all keep track. Anyways, and so after it, just because I'm like this, I want the bed hosed out in case I need to use it for something. I don't want to be like, there's doo-doo in the corners. So we have a problem. Let me show you what the problem is. And you gotta go to shop. She took a Viagra, and now she got a problem. I'm not lying, look. It'll go up. She won't go down. She's loaded up. Maybe that's the problem. It's not a she, it's a he. So we're headed to Albert Switz, the John Deere place.